Let's start by reskinning and animating our Pirate Parrot in DAZ Studio. First, import the parrot figure, then explore the accessories to find the pirate hat and other fun add-ons. You can also open the material section and try different skin styles to find the perfect look for your parrot. Now navigate to the poses section and find the static poses you want to use. To turn these poses into an animation, first move the playhead to the start of your timeline and double-click the first pose. Then move to frame 20 and apply the second pose. At frame 30, add another pose, and continue adding poses until you reach the last frame. If you want the animation to loop smoothly, use the same pose at the beginning and the end, so the animation starts and finishes in the exact same position. You can also change the render mode to preview your final touch. Try Nvidia Iray for a more realistic look, or use the standard shader for a faster preview. This lets you see how your final character and materials will look before rendering.